One of the features available in tkinter or in TTK module is the availability of themes that can be applied at once to all the widgets in the same window. So first, I'm going to simply create a button from the TTK module. So they must be TTK widgets to have the themes applied to them. I'm creating the TTK widget from or as widgets belonging to the created master window. Then with the text, this is a button. I didn't cite the button, I just created with the default values, then packed it with the Y padding equal to 10. I run the code and here is the button. I'm going to try to make it more visible, so I'm going to change its fonts using the styling that we've seen already before in the previous video. So now I'm going to create a style instance and then configure the style or configure a new style called f.t button. I'm going to change the font to Arial and set the size equal to 18. Now after configuring the font of my button, I'm going to apply this new font configured by applying the newly created style f.t button to my style property of the TTK button. I'm going to run the code and I have a bigger button. Now what I'm going to do is to first see the available themes installed by default in my Python installation on Windows. So I'm going to call s.themenames. The s corresponds to the object style created earlier and print the returned values. I can call theme use without any parameter to see the theme use by default, and also I can call the same method with the parameter to define a specific theme. So instead of testing one by one, I'm going to create a combo box to easily visualize the different themes on my window, or to easily visualize the application of the different themes. So first I'm going to create a combo box, a TTK combo box. So I'm going to call ttk.combobox master window mw, and then the values will be simply the list of available themes. So I'm going to call s.themenames. So this way my combo box values will have the list of themes. I'm going to also to pack my combo box, but to be effective, I'm going to bind to it a method or function to its change or selection event. So I'm going to call bind cb.bind. The name of my combo box is cb, so I'm going to call cb.bind. The event is combo box selected, and the related function will be apply theme. I have here. So now I called cb.bind to bind the selection of the theme to a function apply theme that it's going to actually apply the theme. Now if I run the code, I'm going to see that the appearance of my button and my combo box will change each time I select a theme. So now I'm going to see that my combo box will change each time I select a new theme. Not only the combo box, but also the button available in the window. These are the default theme available and the difference between them. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.